Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a shipping rate based on the cart total using the Next Reorder app. So this helps you show different shipping options depending on the order value. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So here we can click on shipping methods. So for hiding, you can click on quick hide shipping method. So here to configure the role, we can give the role name as hide express shipping about $200 like that. Okay, now select the shipping method. Here I'm selecting express shipping. So we have to give the condition, so that click on add condition and can click on cart total, click on add condition. So cart total greater than $200, it will hide the express delivery. So before that, we can go to the checkout section and here we can see there is express shipping or not. Yeah, here it is. So now we can click on save and let's see if it is changed or not. Now the rule has been created. Go to the checkout section and here we can let refresh. Okay, now we can see for orders above 200 only it will hide the express shipping, so that we can go to the cart again and you can add another item also. So here we can click on it and add the items, add to the cart. Now we can click on the checkout. Okay, now the cart value is more than 200. So let's refresh. Now let's check. Yeah, the express delivery is hidden now. Only standard shipping is available because we here give the rule that about 200 there will be no express delivery. So that's it. So using cart total rules lets you offer different shipping option for small and large order, creating a smarter checkout experience. So that's it. You have successfully hidden a shipping rate based on the cart total using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.